Welcome to the 8th edition of IMPRESA Awards 2024.
IMPRESA Awards is a celebration of Indo-Italian business excellence. It is an award which is given to members of the Indo-Italian Chamber of Commerce which have achieved outstanding performances in three areas which are of strategic relevance for Indo-Italian business relations.
We had 16 Italian companies who had come forward and given their applications to us under the three categories: Innovation Industry 4.0, Sustainability and CSR. It was pretty tough for us to evaluate. The jury had to spend a lot of time, valuable time, to evaluate the applications. And yes, we finally declared the winners, and they all are doing commendable work in their respective fields.
This year's IMPRESA Awards 2024 for Business Innovation goes to Biesse India.
We appreciate the due recognition by IICCI in honoring us with the IMPRESA Awards 2024 in business innovation and in social inclusivity and community building sections. Thank you very much.
The IMPRESA Awards 2024 winner in the Sustainability and Circular Economy category is Pune's very own Brembo Brake India Private Limited.
We are very happy to have received an award from Indo-Italian Chamber of Commerce for the CSR activities that company has performed in past. At Brembo Brake India, we take CSR as not only a legal requirement or a statutory requirement from a law point of view, but it's our passion. We all take pride in continuing this activity. Thank you so much.
IMPRESA means innovation in Italy, and it was a privilege for me to be part of the panel, judging committee panel for IMPRESA Awards 2024, organized by Indo-Italian Chamber of Commerce in India. There were several entries for this award, which was there in the three categories, and four judges along the another Miss Mirja, Miss Paula, Miss Shilpa, and for all of us this was a great journey to understand about the Italian innovations. And it is very nice to know that it is not like they are bringing the Italian innovations here in India, but they are understanding the need for India, innovating, and then giving it as a solution for the Indian manufacturing. We wish all the winners all the best.